Inflammation. Inflammation is a localized reaction intended to neutralize, control or eliminate the offending agent to prepare the site for repair. 5 cardinal signs of inflammation: redness, warmth, swelling, pain, loss of function. There are 3 phases of inflammation. Phase 1. Inflammatory response occur 3 to 5 days. Transient vasoconstriction occur immediately after injury, followed by vasodilation, and increased capillary permeability, which result in redness, swelling and warmth. Exudates consist of plasma protein, solutes. White blood cells migrates into tissue, resulting in pressure of fluid on nerve ending, pain, and loss of function. Leukocytes are responsible for engulfing offending organism and for removing cellular debris. Phase 2. Repair and regeneration occur 2 to 8 weeks. It is characterized by new collagen formation. These fibers are laid down in disorganized manner to make scar, but the link between fibers is weak. Thus, new tissue is susceptible to disruption on aggressive activity. Phase 3. Remodeling and maturation. In this phase, tissue continues to remodel, strengthen and improve its cellular organization. Increase in organization of collagen fibers and bond becomes stronger. Thank you for watching, and for more videos please like, share and subscribe to my channel HDKR Enlightening.